Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install QuickBooks Online to track revenue and expenses, full guide step by step clearly. To install QuickBooks Online, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Click on the Sign Up or Try It Free button located on the home page. Select the type of QuickBooks Online plan that best suits your business needs. After choosing a plan, enter your email address and create a password. Fill out the required fields with your business information, such as your business name and address. Once you have completed the information, click on Create Account. You will receive a confirmation email. Open that email and confirm your account. Return to the QuickBooks Online login page and sign in using your new credentials. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to set up your company profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter details like your industry, business type, and revenue size. Next, set your fiscal year start date and choose your accounting method. Once all information is filled in, click on Save and Continue. You will then land on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available features. To track revenue, navigate to the Sales menu on the left-hand sidebar. In the Sales section, click on Invoices or Sales Receipts to record your revenue. Fill out the necessary details to create a new invoice or sales receipt. To manage expenses, go to the Expenses menu on the left sidebar. Click on Vendors to add new vendors for tracking expenses. Next, click on Expenses and then New Expense to log your expenses. Input the details of the expense, including amounts and categories. Once completed, click on Save and Close. Regularly check your dashboard for an overview of your revenue and expenses. Explore the reporting features to gain insights into your business finances. Customize reports based on the specific timeframes and categories you want to analyze. Consider integrating bank feeds to automate transaction import. Review and reconcile your accounts monthly for accurate financial tracking. QuickBooks Online is now set up for tracking your revenue and expenses efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.